Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanis here, and I'm here with another video on SparkChain right here, SparkChain AI. So SparkChain AI is a data infrastructure project, basically a DePIN that is, like you see, they said their mission is connecting blockchain. So basically, and they said AI to drive sustainable decentralized infrastructure. Basically, if you click on this their pin post here, you can basically see what it's all about. So we are trying to announce SparkChain, of course, this credibility as we grow to become a DePIN and AI. So they are combining the data the decentralized physical infrastructure network with AI to help in the Web3 space. So basically that's just what they are all about. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to go about mining this DePIN. So firstly, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course drop a comment in the comment section, and also join our WhatsApp community where we discuss everything crypto, and you can always ask and interact with me, and I will get back to you shortly. So firstly, what you have to do here is go to Mrs. browser, that is Mrs. browser, or you can use Kiwi browser here. As you can see, I have Kiwi browser and then Mrs., but I'm going to be using Mrs. browser. That's if you are mining from your smartphone. You can actually use Chrome browser for your PC. So what you have to do now is use the link in the description. You can copy it and paste it on your Mrs. browser. So I'm going to type in, since I've already registered, I'm going to type in SparkChain. As you can see, it's already showing here, SparkChain AI. So I'll wait for it to load up, and once it does, I'm going to show you a couple of things that you need to do to actually get started for this airdrop. So let's just wait for it to load up. As you can see, it has loaded up. So you have to put your phone in desktop mode, so you click on those three dots there and scroll down. Of course, as you can see, it's in desktop mode. That's if you are using the mobile version. So firstly, you'll be introduced to your dashboard where you can see your earnings and everything. So currently, as you can see, this is the list of the places which I've logged in, the list of the devices I've used, and my earning currently is 41,000. So I'm going to go to, I'll go to dashboard. So this is dashboard. Basically what I will go, if I'm a new person, I'm going to search for Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. So once I search for Chrome Web Store, so chromewebstore.google. So this is what I'm going to do. Basically I'm going to click on the search, this search here where they say search for extensions and theme. So I'll click on it and I'll search for SparkChain. So I'll click on Sparklight node. I'll search for Sparklight node and I'll click on it, and this thing will pop up here. And then what I'll have to do is I'll click on add to Chrome, but this one I've already added, so that's the reason why it's showing like this. So we'll go back to the SparkChain dashboard where you can see your balance, of course. So once you add to Chrome, to actually mine, what you have to do is go to these extensions. Once you go to the extensions, you click on it, and then you will see Sparklight node, and you click on Sparklight node. And once you do that, you see connected right here. Spark is connected, meaning it's actually mining. So the more devices that you log in with, the more you're earning, and the faster you'll be earning, of course. So you just click on this and leave it at this page and continue to mine. So that's not all. Of course, you can refer people. I don't know how many points they give for referrals, but can use the link in the description to register, of course, and you can complete tax. So the tax, they have actually brought new tax. So what you have to do is click on this place. Once you click on tax, SparkChain tax, so you wait for it to open. After a while it will open. You see Twitter. These are basically social media tax, and what you have to do is just perform them, and once you are done, you get 2,000 points, and you claim here, and claim here. So I'm just going to do that. I'll first start with join Telegram. So they said I should join their Telegram channel. It will actually take me to Telegram, and after which I will join. So I'm not going to show you all that. You can basically do that yourself. It's very easy, but if you had issues or you have issues with it, you can also join our WhatsApp community and contact me. The link will be in the description and the pinned comment of this video. So that's it. And you can also go to reward. This store is basically if you want to purchase things, so I don't think it will be necessary for a lot of persons like me. It won't be necessary. So what you have to do next is verify your email. So you can verify your email. You send verification, and once you send it, you go to your email address and verify. So now, after going to my email address, I have successfully verified my email, and as you can see here, they showed email verify. So that's it for this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, of course, like the video, and drop a comment in the comment section. Join our WhatsApp community, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.